It's Ashlyn's second Christmas, and here she comes to see everything down here. Look, honey. Look at all the stuff down there for you. She's holding on to her favorite Frosty that she got last night. Yeah, you want to go see it all? Wow. Yeah, do you see pretty things? What do you see? She's like, let me do it. Here you go, honey. Wow, what's that? Yay! There is a baby in there. Look at honey. You can get on this. Look, sweetheart.
Daddy.
Yeah. That is the key. We're moving so far. There's Daddy. You're helping Mama, aren't you? Doggy. Here's your bitty baby. Piglet and Pooh and Tigger. Good job. Woo! Good job, girl. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. Oh my goodness, look what you have. Yay! That's from Gigi. Yeah. Tickle his chin again. Or his belly. My goodness, what is that? Travel doodle. Let's see what you can do with this. Use your special pen and write on it. Pull out what's inside. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Pull this one. Right here. Oh my goodness, honey, what is it? Did she say something? What is it? It's a kitty in a purse. Oh, is it attached? Wow. There's even a song sheet in there. All the different dolphins make a different note when you bop them on the head in the water. E-book.